Hi, I'm going to show you a quick product demo of Intemo. So for this demo, I'm going to use our MVP that we built for the freight forwarders. So this is the login page, and if you're a registered user, just go ahead and type in your login and password and just click login. So once you log into this AWB tracking page, you would notice there's a tracking input page, and then below that there's a tracking dashboard. So I'll explain what an airway bill is. Airway bill is a 11-digit number of which the first three digits, what we call as prefix, is tied to the airline. So for instance, if you're shipping a product via Indigo, the, uh, the, the first three digits will be 312. That's the airline code for Indigo. And then the next eight digits are the actual tracking number for the product that you're shipping via Indigo. So for the purpose of the MVP, these are the 6 airlines that we have developed this product for. So these are all domestic air carriers within India, and then we'll be developing international airlines pretty soon. So right now I'm going to type in 312, and then this is the other 8 digits. Once I click add tracking, you'll notice the number of 6 goes up to 7, which means that those are the number of active airway bills that I'm tracking right now. And if you notice the very first one on the top, that's the airway bill number that we just typed in. And then the line, the details on that line is the latest update that the airlines has pushed. In this case, because the airway bill is slightly older, you would see it has been delivered. For a live airway bill, if you're shipping a product that's being flown right now, you'll be seeing the instant update as and when the airline is updating it. And if you notice, there's a small button right next to the airway bill. It's a copy to clipboard. Let's say if you're clicking it, and then you go to the online notepad and you click paste, and then you will see that being typed in a specific format. This is generally the format the freight forward community uses to send it to their shippers. So what happens today is like, okay, they take that information from the airline website, and then they retype that information and then call their shipper or text it or even use WhatsApp to communicate that message. Whereas here it just comes to the clipboard, and then you can just directly populate it and send it. And the other thing, if you notice, like there are like 7 airway bills that are being tracked in this dashboard, and if you want them for like outside reporting purposes, for any other purposes, you just click the export to Excel button, and then it will show this particular window where you can click download, and you can download that as a spreadsheet. And if in case you need to know all the statuses related to that particular airway bill, you just click the airway bill, and then it will show you all the data status related to that. So for instance, in this case, the origin is the Bombay airport, and then the destination is Delhi. So you are seeing those, and then the very first status update in most airway bills will be manifested, which means it's being accepted by the airlines for carrying. And then the next one is departed from the origin airport, and then it's arrived at the destination airport, and then the final update with all airway bills will be delivered to the consignee or the customer. And you also notice this particular shipment has 11 pieces, and then it weighs 194 kilograms. And on the right side, you'll always see the last activity that's being updated by the airlines. In this case, it's delivered at Delhi airport. Click close. So this gives you a quick summary of how the airway bill tracking works, and then the dashboard for the Intemo product. So now let me take a quick moment to explain how the same airway bill tracking works without the Intemo product. So for this particular demo, we have used a Indigo airway bill number. So I'm logging into the 60 cargo page, which is used for cargo tracking for Indigo, and then the prefix is already set because it's for Indigo, and then I have typed in the airway bill number, which is the 8 digits. Now I click track, and you see this window. As you see, it's the same information. You see the 11 pieces, 194 kilograms, and the last activity is delivered at Delhi airport. And then you can see the individual updates for that particular airway bill, which is like manifested, departed, arrived, and delivered. So it's the same information that we have as part of our Intemo product. But there are two big benefits that comes with our product. One, you have a automated live tracking for multi-carrier platform. So you don't have to enter every single airway bill one at a time for every single airlines. Whereas in this case, if you're shipping via Indigo or SpiceJet or Vistara, you have to go to their individual websites and then you have to type in the airway bill one at a time. So that is a big time savings. And then the other thing is like, okay, once you get the update, today the freight forwarders take that update and then either call their customer, which is the end shipper, or text or WhatsApp that information. So many times it gets missed due to multiple reasons. Whereas with our product, every time airline pushes a notification, we update the freight forwarder and the shipper right at the same minute. So that is a big USP for our product. I hope this helps you all in understanding our product. Thank you.